Girls, it's all about electricity and magnetism. Okay, girls, the next one branch of physics which is given in your book, that is atomic and nuclear physics. Okay, girls, atomic physics, as its name indicate, that it is the branch of physics which deal with the structure and properties of individual atom. Okay, so girls, in this branch of physics we will discuss about the structure and properties of an atom. Okay, so I think you know very well that what is atom or how we can define the word atom. Okay, girls, atom mean, girls, the indivisible particle, the smallest and indivisible particle of element or matter is known as word, that is known as the atom. Okay, as you know, girls, that atom consists of three fundamental particles. Okay, three fundamental particle. First one is known as proton, second fundamental particle is known as neutron, and the third one fundamental particle is known as electron. Okay, as you know it very well, girls, that the number of proton and number of neutron are present inside the nucleus of an atom. Okay, while electrons are also fundamental particles of atom, but electrons revolve around the nucleus. Okay, that is number of electron always revolve around the nucleus. Okay, so in atomic physics we also discuss the different properties of proton, neutron and electron, such as mass of proton, neutron and electron, which type of charges are present on proton, neutron and electron. Okay, girls, as you know it very well, girls, that proton is positively charged particle. Okay, or proton consists of positive charge. Okay, while neutron is neutral. Okay, and electron is negatively charged particle. Okay, so in atomic physics we will discuss about the structure and properties of individual atom, in which we specially discuss about the fundamental particles of atom. Okay, in this atomic physics we also discuss about atomic mass, that what is atomic mass of an atom, what is atomic number of an atom. Okay, so what is atomic, girls? Atomic mass, atomic symbol of atomic mass is capital A. Okay, the symbol which is used for the representation of atomic mass, that is capital A. And how we can define atomic mass? Atomic mass of an atom can be defined as it is the sum of number of proton and number of neutron is known as word, that is known as atomic mass. Okay, the next one term is atomic number. Okay, what is atomic number, girls? Atomic number of an atom can be defined as the number of proton in a nucleus is known as atomic number. Okay, the number of proton in a nucleus is known as word, that is known as atomic number. And girls, atomic number can also be defined as it is the number of electron. Why? Because you know it very well that number of proton in atom is always equal to the number of electron. Okay, so number of electron is also known as atomic number. Okay, so it's all about atomic physics. Okay, the next one term is nuclear physics. Nuclear physics, girls. Nuclear physics, as its name indicate, girls, okay, this branch of physics is deal with the nucleus of an atom. Okay, how we can define it properly? The definition of nuclear physics is given, girls. As you can see that nuclear physics can be defined as it is the branch of physics which deals with the structure and properties of atomic nuclei. Okay, so this branch of physics is only related with nucleus of an atom, in which we will discuss about the structure and property of a nucleus. Okay, that what is the structure of a nucleus of an atom and what are the properties of these atomic what is the property of atomic nuclei. Okay, girls, as you know it very well that a nucleus consists of a number of proton and number of neutron. Okay, proton carry positive charge and neutron is neutral particle. Okay. So next one, in nuclear physics we also discuss about the nuclear reaction. Okay, in nuclear reaction, girls, we discuss about what is nuclear reaction. Nuclear reaction, as its name indicate, girls, the reactions which are carried out inside the nucleus of an atom. Okay, the reaction which are carried out inside the nucleus of an atom, so that is known as the nuclear reaction. Okay, there are two types of nuclear reaction, girls. One is known as nuclear fission and the next one is known as the nuclear fusion. Okay, the word fission mean breakdown. Okay, and girls, the word fusion mean combining. Okay, combination, combining, together, fuse. The word fuse mean together. Okay, so how we can define the nuclear fission and fusion, girls? First I will tell you about nuclear fission. Okay, as I told you that the word fission mean breakdown. So the nuclear fission can be defined as it is the breakdown of a heavy nucleus. Okay, breakdown of a heavy nucleus into the number of lighter nuclei is known as word that is known as the nuclear fission, or the splitting of a very heavy nucleus into the number of lighter nucleuses is also known as nuclear fission. Okay, suppose if it heavy nucleuses mean, girls, heavy nucleus mean the nucleus whose atomic number, the atom whose atomic number is greater than 82. So that element or that nucleus of that element is considered as a heavy nucleus. Okay, so the splitting of a heavy nucleus into the number of lighter nucleuses is known as nuclear fission. Okay, the next one is nuclear fusion. Okay, girls, the word fusion mean together, combine, as I told you. Okay, so nuclear fusion mean it is the process of combination of lighter nucleuses. Okay, combination of lighter lighter nucleuses to form a heavy nucleus. Okay, when the number of lighter nucleuses are combined to form a heavy nucleus, so this phenomena, this process is known as word that is known as the nuclear fusion. Okay, girls, in nuclear nuclear physics we also discuss about the different types of radiation which are emitted by the nucleus. Okay, and girls, radiation which are emitted by the nucleus such as alpha rays, okay, beta rays and gamma rays. Okay, these are the different types of radiation which are emitted by the nucleus of an atom. Okay, so in this branch of physics we discuss about the structure and property of nucleus as well as nuclear reactions, nuclear weapons and radiations which are emitted by the nucleus. So the study of this whole phenomena is known as word that is known as nuclear physics. Okay, girls, the next one the next one branch of physics is relativity, which is also known as the theory of relativity. Okay, girls, two widely accepted theory proposed by the Albert Einstein. Okay, which is commonly known as theory of relativity, or which is simply known as relativity. Okay, this relativity theory basically consists of two parts. One is known as special theory and the second one is known as general theory. Okay, girls, in special theories, Albert Einstein, this theory was proposed by the Albert Einstein in 1905, and general theory was proposed by Albert Einstein in 1915. Okay, special theory is related with the non-accelerated frame of reference. Non-accelerated, the word accelerated mean motion. Okay, so non-accelerated means static objects. Okay, so this theory is basically related with the static object, and general theory is related with the accelerated system. Accelerated system mean any type of object which is in state of motion, so that is included in accelerated system. Okay, non-accelerated frame of reference theory is related with the electromagnetic waves. Okay, what is electromagnetic waves, girls? Electromagnetic wave mean the waves which do not require any medium for its propagation, so that is known as electromagnetic waves. Okay, suppose there are radiations which are emitted by the sun, different types of radiation, UV radiation, infrared radiation, visible light rays. So all these type of radiation are electromagnetic waves. Okay, and these waves do not require any medium for its propagation. It can travel through a vacuum, it can travel through air, so it does not require any type of medium. Okay, and accelerated system, as its name indicate, that this system is related with the moving body, moving with very high speed. Okay, and relativity also deals with the gravitation. As I told you, what is gravitation? Gravitation is also known as the force of attraction, and it can be defined as the force of attraction between any two body in the universe. Any two bodies. Suppose if we take an example of two pens. Okay, so force of gravitation will also be present between two pens, two bodies. Okay, so this is known as relativity.